The Mahindra Thar remains a true icon of off-road capability and adventure, widely summarizing the synthesis of rugged yet refined SUV design. The heritage of Mahindra goes deep within the production line of the Thar, which is built with state-of-the-art technology at Nashik, India. Such a blend between traditional craftsmanship and advanced engineering into its production ensures that every Thar meets the highest standards of performance as well as durability and comfort. The process is a harmonious synthesis of human expertise with cutting-edge technology that will produce a vehicle ready to accept any kind of extreme terrain, but also offering comfort and reliability for the driver. Production of the Mahindra Thar starts with raw material, mostly high-strength steel, which is known to withstand the forces of the rigorous four-wheeling trails. The first processes involve gigantic stamping machines used to punch into the signature body panels, which form the rugged shape of the Thar. These panels are designed such that every one of them meets Mahindra's stringent design and safety standards. The body of the Thar is built to be strong enough to withstand conditions in their worst forms. For this, Mahindra uses a combination of robotic arms and human craftsmanship at the welding and body assembly stage. Robotic welders assemble frame and body panels with total precision using spot and laser welding to have a sturdy, unbroken structure. This again comes to ensure high accuracy in ensuring that the Thar retains rigidity in the frame, which provides a guarantee of on-road safety and off-road durability. Something very important in the off-road capabilities of the Thar has to be in the welding process. The body and frame have to absorb shocks and impacts while maintaining the structure of the vehicle. Thus, high-strength steel is used in this Thar so that it can give its four wheels the expected capability on rocky mountain trails and on sandy deserts. The robustness of the welding process ensures that the body will not warp or bend at all, even when subjected to intense pressure, so the overall vehicle is pretty robust and can withstand rough conditions quite well and protect passengers. Once the frame is welded together, tests of frame rigidity and durability are carried out using advanced sensors with quality checks to test whether the body can withstand the level of stress and impact that would occur from driving off the road without flexing or deforming. Most rocky terrains and steep inclines, as well as unpredictable paths, will put stress on the Thar that will flex and deform under the norm of most cars. Thus, the chassis will undergo several tests aimed at ensuring whether it meets Mahindra's expectations on durability and capability off-road. After such stringent checking structures, the body progresses to the paint shop. Here, the surface preparation and pre-treatment process includes cleaning in great detail and an application of an anti-corrosion coating, ensuring the automobile remains long-lasting under every climatic condition. Mahindra's newer techniques ensure that the Thar's body resists rust and corrosion, especially when it's destined to face conditions with high humidity, salty air, or otherwise harsh conditions. The paint application and curing follows then. The use of electrostatic technology by robotic arms applies a different layer of primer, paint, and clear coat with near zero waste output to give an even paint. The colors of the Thar vary widely regarding the specific customer preference that still offers efficiency and aesthetic appeal and durability. Every layer will be applied with utmost care and precision to give the vehicle a flawless appearance that is not just aesthetically pleasing but also scratch and UV ray resistant, as it might encounter during its off-road travels. The paint process is totally automated to ensure the quality, but with some degree of personalization. The customer can choose from an array of colors so that their Thar stands out uniquely in a sea of similarly styled cars. The body is taken into oven after putting up the paint, in order to cure the paint by baking it hard and making it more resistant to damage from the environment. The curing process confirms that the paint is indeed hardened on the metal, thus ensuring a long-lasting finish, possibly able to face any tough condition in the years ahead. Quality checking of the paint shop ultimately ensures that the Thar leaving here is not only without blemish, but workers test imperfections using bright lights and advanced sensors and correct each flaw before the vehicle moves further for the next stage. Thus, this rigorous procedure not only ensures great looks, but also prepares the Thar to take on road driving challenges head-on. The Mahindra Thar's interior reflects a balance between comfort and rugged functionality. The material selection and customization stage focuses on providing tough, durable materials that can handle outdoor elements while offering a comfortable experience for occupants. Mahindra offers a range of customization options, from weather-resistant fabrics to premium leather, allowing customers to tailor their Thar's interior to their personal needs and tastes. The Thar is built for adventure, so materials must be durable, easy to clean, and resistant to wear and tear from dirt, mud, and water. All the car's interior parts are hand-stitched by skilled artisans. They stitch the seats, dashboards, and steering wheels in the car by hand. That way, every detail is precise and durable. In many cases, the patterns on the stitches are also tailored according to the taste of their clients for an unmistakable level of personalization, giving each Thar a personality of its own. It's in these details that Mahindra describes how rugged performances go well with luxurious craftsmanship. The interior design of the seats and upholstery ensures comfort, functionality, support for long journeys, and the capability to stand out against dirt, moisture, and wear, which can result from adventures off the road. The luxury and durability being interlinked is the main reason the Thar stands among the other off-road vehicles. Mahindra pays special attention to the fact that the interior must serve as a perfect middle course between aesthetics and functionality, providing the driver with comfortable space and one that is capable of enduring the most extreme conditions. At the phase of customization options, Mahindra caters to several different choices for the finish of the interior so that the customer can choose a variety of colors, materials, and stitching designs. Customers can choose contrasting stitching and embossed logos. Custom color schemes have been designed to make it feel as if it's a bespoke vehicle meant for the owner's personality. The idea would be to create an interior of a vehicle which is the epitome of the adventure-driven nature of the Thar, as well as the owner's personal style. The engine is the heart of the Mahindra Thar. In the precision in engine manufacturing stage, the petrol and diesel engines in the Thar are accurately fitted with high-tech machinery to the point of the micrometer. The crankshafts and pistons are placed with utmost care to endure off-road driving. The part will be tested to its tight tolerances since the engine needs to be perfect. It is designed to offer a maximum torque at low RPM, so it can ascend steep slopes and take up difficult terrains. The transmission assembly and testing process is no less important. Be it manual or automatic, every assembled transmission has taken care to ensure smooth movement over a wide range of conditions. Given the fact that Thar has been designed for chanciest off-road environments, the four-wheel drive capability through the transmission system has been engineered for successful navigation over any terrain. This ensures the vehicle can shift between high and low gears very smoothly, thus allowing the driver's control over the vehicle, whether off-road or in cities. Before moving on to the next stage, quality testing is performed for every engine and transmission. These engines undergo different load conditions that can be compared to actual life conditions, hence providing the power and torque to undertake off-road performance. This test ensures that the Thar's powertrain is designed to develop high torque outputs, essential for those monstrous off-road journeys where precision and control go much above board. At the heart of the Thar's off-road capability is the ruggedness of its chassis. Strong chassis assembly will ensure that the vehicular body-on-frame is strong enough to be able to withstand the physical stresses of off-road travel and tackle it without crumbling down. Engineers at Mahindra pay special attention to the strength and durability of the frame to the point where it can handle the weight of the vehicle in the extreme conditions it will encounter. The body-on-frame construction would be required for the off-road vehicle since it maximizes the strength while adding flexibility, which in turn would create the strength in the body structure that would be immersed in impacts made by the terrain. The suspension system is another critical component in the Thar's off-road performance. The Thar is fitted with an advanced suspension system that combines comfort with durability. Shock absorbers, springs, and stabilizers are assembled to ensure that the vehicle can handle rough terrains while keeping occupants comfortable. The suspension is tuned to handle both high-speed highway driving and low-speed off-road crawling, providing drivers with versatility and comfort. In the final chassis and body marriage, the chassis and body are brought together with great care and assembled, so the Thar turns up balanced and ready for the road and indeed for the trail. It's at this very critical juncture in the assembly process that misalignment could potentially threaten the handling and safety of a vehicle. Mahindra engineers spare no pains to ensure that suspension, drivetrain, and body work together in perfect symphony toward delivering the very best possible performance both on-road and off-road. The other parts and electronics of Thar include wheels, braking system, and more advanced electronic features like infotainment and navigation systems. These are very essential for modern off-road driving. They provide not only entertainment but the most needed navigational aids. The infotainment system is built with lots of ruggedness, in fact, bearing the demands of off-road use coupled with intuitive controls. The final quality inspections involve a thorough review of every aspect of the vehicle, from the alignment of body panels to the functioning of its electronic systems. Each Thar undergoes a series of tests to ensure that it meets Mahindra's high standards for quality and performance. These tests include braking, acceleration, and stability tests, ensuring that the Thar performs exceptionally in various driving conditions. The final stage of the Mahindra Thar is about road and off-road testing. Its use on expert tracks mimics different types of surfaces, so one gets to test the vehicle's acceleration, braking, and handling almost close to real road conditions. Engineers concentrate on comfort and noise levels inside the cabin to make sure that the Thar offers a smooth and noise-free ride, even in a very bad environment. In addition to performance testing, the Thar undergoes rigorous checks for comfort and reliability. Mahindra engineers evaluate every aspect of the vehicle's design, from the quality of the interior materials to the performance of its suspension on rough terrains. The vehicle is driven over bumpy, uneven tracks to ensure that it can handle challenging conditions without compromising passenger comfort. The Thar's braking system is subjected to high-stress tests to ensure that it provides reliable stopping power, whether on a steep hill or a muddy track. Its suspension is fine-tuned to strike a balance between ruggedness and comfort, allowing the vehicle to traverse rocky trails while maintaining a smooth ride on paved roads. The final steps of the assembly involve the installation of a headlamp, tail lamp, and exterior trims. These are fitted with precision so they become tight enough to prevent water and dust from entering, preserving the inside environment of the Thar from natural elements. The lighting of the vehicle is properly tested to assure that it attains excellent visibility even in limited light conditions often encountered off-road travels. In the final stages, the Thar is given one last round of testing, which includes a dynamic test of its driving capabilities. Engineers take the vehicle through a variety of driving conditions, evaluating its performance in terms of acceleration, braking, and cornering. These tests simulate the real-world challenges that Thar owners might face, from climbing steep hills to navigating muddy paths. And that is the result, a vehicle that lives up to its promise of off-road performance while assuring comfort and offering a personal custom driving experience. Born from Mahindra's rich legacy in building tough vehicles, Thar best exemplifies the perfect balance between ruggedness and refinement.